Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh to return to New Delhi today after a 5-day visit to the USA. PM held talks with US President Obama and his Pakistani counterpart Nawaz Sharif, besides addressing the UN General Assembly.
Congress President Sonia Gandhi slams BJP and cautions it for ridiculing the Prime Minister. Backing Dr. Singh, she says all achievements of the UPA government had been made under his leadership.
UPA Chairperson Sonia Gandhi launches Land for Landless scheme in Kerala. Scheme to provide land to all 2.4 lakh landless families by 2014. Destitute, handicapped and persons suffering from chronic illnesses will also be benefited.
Former Bihar Chief Minister and RJD Chief Lalu Prasad Yadav convicted in the multi-crore fodder scam. 44 others also convicted in the case, including JDU MP Jagdish Sharma and former Chief Minister Jagannath Mishra.
A special CBI court in New Delhi is scheduled to pronounce the quantum of punishment against Rajya Sabha member Rashid Masood in a case of fraudulently nominating undeserving candidates to MBBS seats in Tripura Medical College.
Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde asked all chief ministers to ensure that no innocent youth of minority community is wrongfully detained in the name of terror. Says government has to ensure that no innocent person is subjected to undue harassment.
Congress suspends former Rajasthan Minister Babulal Nagar. Decision taken days after Nagar was accused of rape of a 35-year-old woman.
Supreme Court is today scheduled to hear the breach of privilege motion moved against former Army Chief General V.K. Singh, accusing him of maligning the image of the Army and the country.
Petrol prices slashed down by over 3 rupees per litre across the country due to lower crude prices and appreciating rupee. Diesel hiked by 50 paise.
Eight core infrastructure sectors achieved 7-month high growth rate of 3.7% in August. Good performance by power, cement, steel and fertilizer sectors.
Current account deficit widens to $22 billion in the April to June quarter of the current fiscal. Trade deficit coupled with a slow recovery in net invisibles led to the widening of the CAD.
Advertising industry watchdog ASCI pulls up different advertisements of L'Oreal India, Hindustan Unilever, Dabur India and Audi India among 177 other ads for misleading the consumers.
India and China agree that peace and tranquility on the border are key for expansion of bilateral ties. Senior officials hold candid talks on a border security mechanism agreement expected to be inked during Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh's proposed visit to Beijing.
US President Barack Obama reposes his faith in diplomatic channels to work for an amicable solution to Iranian nuclear stockpiles problem. The president calls for easing Western sanction if Iran disposes its nuclear weapons.
The US Congress must today agree to a budget or face a federal government shutdown, sending more than 700,000 federal workers home and closing down national parks, museums, federal buildings and services.
54 persons killed in a series of car bomb blasts in Iraq. More than 6,000 people have been killed in violence so far this year, according to monitoring group. Iraq body count.
The Apex Court has said that there is something seriously wrong with the BCCI, which has lost its credibility over the IPL and the spot fixing issue. SC has said Srinivasan will continue as president but will not participate in matters relating to IPL.
And in cricket, Yuvraj Singh has made a comeback into the Indian team as the national selectors name a 15-member squad for the lone T20 and 3 of the 7-match ODI series against Australia to be held in October-November.
Sunrisers Hyderabad crash out of the Champions League 2020 after their last Group B match against Brisbane. Heat was called off due to wet ground conditions. Trinidad and Tobago registered a 6-run win over Titans in a rain-hit match to place themselves in strong contention.
And Rajasthan Royals to play their last league match today against Otago Wolves in the Champions League 2020 Championship. Having sealed their place in the semis, Royal would look to grab the top spot.